Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You will remove the file now. First, confirm you are on the right branch and have push rights. Use Git rm file locally to remove the tracked file, or click Delete in the GitHub Web UI if you prefer a browser. Once the file is removed, stage changes with git add and craft a concise commit message explaining why the file is gone. This helps reviewers and history. Make sure you check Git status to verify the file is staged for commit. Now commit and share your deletion. Run git commit m remove file, reason to record the change locally. This message should explain the why, not just the what. Then push with git push origin branch. If you pushed a feature or fix branch, open a pull request so others can review the deletion and related impacts. Once reviewers approve, merge the PR into the target branch. This preserves history and ensures CI checks run. Make sure to delete the remote branch if it's no. Finish by confirming the file is removed on the main branch, and that builds pass. If you accidentally deleted the file, you can recover it. Find the commit SHA and use git checkout SHA file or git revert commit to restore the change. This keeps history clean. Also scan codebase for references or configuration that relied on the file and update them. If CI fails, examine logs for missing resources. Fixing references often resolves downstream errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.